FPVist, and today I have for you 13 FPV goggles, the most popular goggles there is in the market. From the low cost to the high end, we're gonna talk about every single one of them. So let me show you. Let's start with the Eachine VR005. It's a 2.7 inch screen. It has 1000 milliamps battery, and as well it has two antennas. Now don't be mistaken, this is two antennas. This is not diversity, which is two receivers, but you can expect anything from that low cost goggle. Let me show you the next one, the EV800. This is a 5-inch screen, not 2.7. It's a bigger screen, and it has one antenna only, and it's quite good to start with this goggle. Why? Because it's very low cost, and as well it gives you all the needs that you have, all the race band, the auto search, 40 channels. It has as well as a built-in battery for that, and quite nice goggle. And let me show you the other one. This is a favorite of mine, the VR D2. It's a very good quality product. I used it many times on many occasions. It has DVR recording. It's a 480 by 800 resolution, 5-inch screen. It has very nice sponges to touch your forehead over here. Very nice. You can attach two sponges over there, and it has as well auto search. Now let me show you the other one. This is a new goggle that supposed to be good for the ones who has goggles on. Now, glasses, sorry. Now, this is the Hawkeye. It has as well like a periscope screen that moves, and you can see without touching in your eyes. It's a 5-inch screen, and you can take the screen out from the clips over here and use it as a screen by itself. It's a very nice addition to the goggles world that we have. The next goggle that we have is the Eachine EV800D. It's a 40-channel diversity FPV goggle with a 5-inch screen. It's very nice. It's very good reception comparing to its price. It's very low cost, around $100 only. It has DVR recording. You can take the screen out and use it only as a screen without the head strap and everything. Built-in battery. Very nice. $90 now at Banggood. We have now the FatShark Scout. It's a 4-inch screen, but the resolution is very nice, 640 by 1136. It's very high resolution comparing to all the goggles in this price, and as well as auto search, and as well as a built-in battery, and as well as DVR recording. All you need is just to put a card inside. Very nice goggle. If somebody wants to enter the field with a high resolution, this will probably be it. Now, this is the most recommended by me goggle that there is. It's the AOMWAY Commander V1. Comparing to its price, it gives you almost anything the other goggles will give you, and a little bit more. It has a DVR recording. It has fan for the fog in the eyes. If you flying in hot days or very cold days, you're gonna have fog in the screens. So it has a fan inside. It has 64 channels. 64, it's quite a lot. We won't use all the channels probably, but it has it. Supporting head tracking. It comes with two antennas, one patch antenna and one regular omnidirectional antenna. It comes as well with this cable, which is connected to 2S, 3S, 4S batteries that you can use this product with. Very nice addition that you can use it with the batteries of the quad. This is only $245. It's very low cost comparing to what the goggle gives you, and as well it's one of the lightest goggles there is in the market. One of my favorites, my new favorites, is the Skyzone SKYO. It's one of the best goggles there is. Why? Because its price and because what it gives. It gives all the other things that the one before gives you, only 48 channels instead of 60, but you don't need even 48, you need only 12 top to use all the channels that you use. And what you have in this goggle is as well as DVR recording. You have diversity antenna. You won't get antennas in the package. You will get linear antennas, simple one, but you will need to change them. It comes in a variety of different colors, very nice colors, and its price is very, very affordable for all the ones that you need that want to get in the field. It has one strap that covers your head without the top strap, which I like because it's much more convenient. It's very low weight, and the IPD is very comfortable to mix it, to change it in your eyes, and as well as supporting head tracking, and comes with supporting batteries of 2S to 6S, which is very, very nice. You can put any kind of voltage in this goggle and it will work without a problem. $270. It's very, very good price for this goggle. From here we go to the Eachine EV800D. This is a 720 by 1280 resolution goggle. It has 72 channels, true diversity. I don't know how many diversity it has. It has 4 antennas, but I think only 2 true diversity, which means 2 receivers. It's a very good goggle because you can connect 4 antennas, you can connect 4 patch antennas to all directions and cover all the field that you need. It has a DVR recording and it's quite nice goggle. It has a lot of great improvements in it. The next one is the new FatShark Attitude. It's the V5 OLED screen. The best thing about this goggle, it has an OLED screen. The OLED is very bright, very contrast screen, and you can see very, very good in that screen. It's not a big screen, but it's a very good screen. It has true diversity, of course, DVR recording, and it's a little bit more from the professional price. Yeah, it's from the professional price as well. It's $300 now at pre-order. And from here we're gonna go to the most recommended goggle that I can give you. It's the Skyzone SKYO O3, the OLED as well. They gave you as well OLED as the FatShark, but they give inside of it all the receivers that you need, true diversity, DVR recording, and supporting head tracking, fan for the fog, and 48 channels, which you don't need more than that. And all this goggle combines the resolution. I want to show you one second, I'm going to find it. It has 1024 by 768 resolution, which is very, very nice for our goggles that we use. It's a new shape for Skyzone. I think it's gonna be one of the best goggles in the market. From here we go to the FatShark HDO, which is one of the most popular goggles there is. It's not cheap, it's not low cost, it's $500 and it's keeping its price for a very long time now. It's in 720 by 960. It's a very nice goggle. It has an OLED screen, of course, DVR recording, all the features that you need, but in this goggle you're gonna need to put some receiver that will receive the module over here that will receive the 5.8 gigahertz for the reception. This goggle only has screens and the platform for the modules, but without the module, without the antenna. So whoever has money, this is a nice goggle for him. And from here we're gonna go for the last one. This is the DJI Digital FPV system with the air unit. Now, a great advantage for this, because it's the only one that I'm showing you which is digital. This is the only digital FPV goggles that I'm showing you here, but it has advantages and as well as disadvantages. Why? Because the digital system has a small delay that it's around 30 milliseconds and to 40, and sometimes if you go behind some large tree or large house or a very after a few hundred meters, it will stop. The video will go lower and lower till it freeze. Now many people has the freeze. Many people has the freezing section, and it's not quite nice when you're flying FPV, and especially not racing. But a lot of people supported the fact that it will use them for racing. It has everything inside of it. The resolution is one of the most appealing thing. It's 1400 by 40 and 810 resolution. It's a lot of resolution for an FPV goggle, and it's around the $800. Hope you enjoy, everybody. And if you have any question, you can put it down below. If you want to support me and my work, you can just buy from other all those links. Any other things that you want to buy, you can enter from those links and just buy whatever you want. It supports me as well. Have a nice flight. Good day.